What am I doing? This looks like scared, like you're gonna get this thing pushed on.
You think that's over? Because that you should see it like a lifer counselor. Ah, chomp, chomp.
Bunny, 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 bunny. Wait, hold on. No, we gotta stop because Crawford didn't carrot.
Carrot! Oh, you're done.
What the? No one else did that shit. You got a carrot when the guy next to you is bunny bunny.
Let's just do a bunny bunny route. This is remedial bunny bunny.
I'm just worried about having the carrot, guys. This is just a simple, you know.
Just bunny bunny.
Bunny bunny. Bunny bunny.
Bunny bunny. Bunny bunny.
Sorry.
You want some aid?
Here comes the turkey vulture for you, Joel.
Oh god.
Like shoulders off us. Easy.
Brett. Let's go.
What I would ask
I'm good. How are you doing?
Like if I were to buy
How's the
how much
sriracha?
can I trust it really is? See, and
Ooh,
now
spicy.
USA,
Ben can handle spicy.
USD,
Oh man, he's as red as the sauce.
Oh, it's like a greenwashing.
Your face matches the ground.
Essentially.
You're heating up.
We started with Mexican Coke and ended with Utah Needles.
We're not done yet, Sarah.
All right, everybody,
Galapagos.
tell me how you're feeling about the dollhouse.
I love it.
You're being recorded, so I was looking for something a little bit more.
Whoa!
Pine nuts are really good. They have really a lot of health benefits. That's why I eat them. Wow, the desert has a lot to offer if you're willing to look.
It's the Great Valley!
Doesn't that feel like Land Before Time?
Back to sun again, must be fade the way it was all day. Black axe to a man at the gate, awaiting new state. Something perished past and gone away, and nothing ever lasts that hesitates. 'Cause I love these days are calling out the simple sense in the red skyline. These days they call the wind is
Stand up tall and look him in the eye. And if they say that toast is crummy, just shake your head, because you know it's yummy. Yeah, toast.
Have you made all this up on the spot, or is it?
Je suis en deux jambons baguettes!